Hello everyone, Bradley Sward here. Welcome back. It's Advent of Code 2024. Is it December already? Technically not yet for me here in Chicagoland area. But day one, Historian Hysteria is the problem. It's already solved. It's already in Python. Let's take a look. So the problem is basically we have a file. We have two numbers in each line of the file. All of the left numbers are going to be put into their own list. All of the right numbers are going to be put into their own list. Then we're going to go ahead and sort them low to high or high to low. It really doesn't matter as long as we sort them both the same way. We find out the differences in each pair as we line them up smallest to smallest and largest to largest in order. And as we do that, we get the sum of the numbers, and I get 208,000 or 2,086,478 for part one. So let's take a look at how I solved that. That is looking like this right here. So I have my two lists. I open up the file. I read everything in line by line by line by line by line. And then I go ahead and I set up my total. And then I basically, line by line, I strip out all the white space and I get rid of the new line characters and I split them by the spaces. I put like I said, put all the left-hand numbers in the left-hand list, put all the right-hand numbers in the right-hand list, sort them all out, and then just go one by one through the lists and figure out what their absolute values are, sum it all up, and when you run this, of course, you get the number we were talking about before here, and you get 2,086,478. At least with my data, your data will be different. So then for part two, basically it just ends up being slightly different. That's how these things go. So let me pop this thing back open again. So then for part two, the left hand number is basically a number, like a key value pair in a way, right? Forgive me that I'm just so excited getting this thing done that I don't have the exact terminology for what I'm trying to do here. But basically, for every number, every pair in the list, whatever the left-hand number is, for basically as I'm going through, how many times do I find that in my list, and I multiply by that number. So I find the 3 times, so 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And like in this case, if you find a number and it's not in there, like the 1 is not in there, well, you basically you don't add anything to the list. So key times the number of the count of the number in the other list, sum them all up. I get 24,941,642, or 24. Just have the numbers transposed there. Coming back to the problem here, I just restarted the total and basically just figured out for left number, and Python is great at this, get me the count for how many times do I find that number inside the other list, sum all that up, get to my number here, call it a day. So thanks for sticking with it. That's my solution. Comments below. This isn't the greatest code in the world, but it gets the job done. Moving on to other things. Looking forward to day two. Looking forward to seeing you guys, talking to you guys about this in the future too. Take it easy, everybody. Talk to you then.